Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In today's video I will be sharing with you the best time to enter a trend, or the best time to trade a trend. This is very important because most of these assets that we are trading are trend trading assets. When you know the best time to go in a trade whenever it is trending in a particular direction, then you will be able to trade it successfully. Okay, you don't just enter a trade out anyhow, not especially when the trend has started. Okay, so you need to know when to go in so that you can have the full advantage of the trend. So you need to sit tight and watch this video to the end if you want to know more about this. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time, browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, and make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. That is very important. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay guys, like I used to explain to you, all these assets are trend trading assets. Once you know the exact direction of the market, then you will be able to trade alongside with the trend. Okay, and that will help you to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, so that is why I always take the aspect of the trend very important. Once you are able to solve your trend, then definitely you have solved more than 60% of the trading problem. Okay, so you should know the right trend to trade it. Okay, either it also depends on the asset you are trading or what you are trying to achieve, if you should trade on uptrend or on downtrend. Okay, all these are very important. Then of course, if a trend is going in a certain direction, you don't expect it to be going in that direction for long. There should always be pullback. Okay, so you can have pullbacks like this, and it keeps on, it will continue with the trend again, then it will pull back again, it will continue with the trend again and pull back till it gets to the final stage of the trend at that particular time, because you can never know the end of a chart. Okay, so it will, since till it gets to the final stage of that particular trend at that particular time. So that is how to know to go about it. So how do we now know the best time to come into the trade? You should either come in when the trend is starting, which is the most suitable time for you to trade, because at this stage you will be able to milk the market throughout, from the beginning of the trend to the very end. Okay, sorry about that, from the beginning of the trend to the very end, you will be able to milk the market that way. But if you miss this side, this opportunity, then the best time for you to go into the trade is during the pullback. So you can come in here, or you come in here, or you come in here. So these are very important. It is always difficult for you to just jump into the trade without having this idea. Okay, for instance, let's say this trend have started already, you just come in where you like. It's always difficult. That will endanger your capital at that particular point. So the best thing for you to do is either you start from the beginning of the trend, or you come in whenever you have the pullbacks. Okay, wherever you have the pullbacks, that will help you to trade the market, or it will help you to secure a better position within the market. Okay, so let's go straight to the chart so that we get to see how this happen. Okay guys, we will be looking at some charts, and we will see how we can trade this asset successfully. So we will be starting with this. Okay, we will be starting with this, more especially this resistance zone. Okay, so you can see this trend this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend, just the way you have seen it, starting from this resistance zone and it came down till this level. Okay, and just the way you are seeing it right here, you will notice that it is not just going down. Okay, there are pullbacks in between. Okay, that is normal. You don't expect the chart of a certain asset to be going in that direction for a very long time without any pullbacks, because it has to do with demand and supply. Okay, so once in a while it will always bounce back at every support zone, especially if it's going down like this. It will always bounce back at every support zone and then pull back again once it gets to a reasonable resistance zone, and it starts going in that direction for a very long time. So let's see where are the clear area for us to enter a trade. Okay, the first place for us to come in, sorry about that, the first place for us to come in is at this resistance zone, which is the beginning of the trend. If you should come in right here, you can milk the market for a very long time. Okay, you will have more confidence within the market and you will be able to trade the asset for a very long time, because by the time the markets will have moved from here till it gets to this level, okay, then definitely, even if there are pullbacks in between, it won't even get to your entry point. So you will have more confidence in the market, because it is still going down and you are in a lot of profit at that particular point. Before it can claim most of the profit, it's going to take some time before it can take most of the claim most of the profit. So if you miss the beginning of the trend, then the best way for you to another good way for you to come in is around this pullback. Okay, this is the next pullback. Okay, so you can come in around here. Okay, so if you miss this, you can see that it pulled back to to that same place again. So all you just need to do is just to come in around here again. Okay, so if you missed all this, then the next place where you can easily come in without any problem is here. Okay, you can see this pullback. After getting to this level, it got to this region, came down a bit, then went back up. Okay, so before it is around it, you will notice that the pullbacks always go back into the trend once it gets to the resistance zone. Okay, so this is another major place where you can come in again and trade the asset till it gets to the next pullback. Okay, so here is another place, so you can always take advantage of all these pullbacks to milk the market successfully or to enter the trade again. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once you are able to identify all these, then you will be able to trade this asset successfully for a very long time. It is as easy as that. You just need to put everything in the right direction. You need to understand how to go about it, what you need to do in order to achieve this successfully. Okay guys, I want you to go back to your chart and have this set up on your chart. I will also advise you to take it down to 5-minute time frame, because it will make it very easy for you to be able to identify all these pullbacks. Okay, you won't be seeing you will be able to differentiate a very good pullback from a fake one. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, so once you are able to achieve all these, you will be able to practice with them and see how far you can go with this strategy, and see if you can make some profit for yourself at the end of the day. We did this on the downtrend today, and you can also, the same thing is applicable when it is going on an uptrend. So all these are very, very important, so you can do it on both sides and see how far you can go. So you should be able to identify your trend, you should be able to identify your support and resistance zone, then you should be able to identify the pullback, so that you will know when to go into the trade and when to exit the trade. So I want you to practice with this and share your results with me at the end of the day. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video.